Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and you would never miss an update from Dreamshot.
Hello friends, welcome once again to your channel Dreamshot. For those who are curious about my name and place, my name is Sadanan and I stay in Bangalore. See, I've been getting a lot of questions as to what is the best DSLR for landscape photography. I've been trying to answer with the best option possible, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये question ही गलत है. Personally, I feel that landscape photography is not more about the DSLR at all. If you're a portrait photographer or a wildlife photographer, sports photographer, there will still be a lot of features in the cameras which we can exploit to take better pictures. मतलब obviously महंगे cameras जो होते हैं, they will be feature rich. But when it comes to landscape photography, I don't think so the DSLR body itself will hold a lot of value. So if you're a beginner photographer और आप landscape photography में interested हो, do watch this video till the end and I'm sure you'll make beautiful pictures like professionals. When I'm talking about landscape photography, I'm talking about serious landscape photography, not the ones where you casually go around and click some random pictures. सबसे पहले let me talk about the body itself. If you have a good budget, then go for a full frame body. If you don't have a good budget, then I think you should go for a crop sensor. इससे ज़्यादा आपको कोई टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आपका बहुत कम बजट है. Like if you can only afford Nikon D3400 और Canon 1300D, ये भी चलेगा. अगर आपके पास अच्छा बजट है and you have a full frame DSLR, I think the best general lens to go for is 2470 2.8. अगर आपके पास बजट कैमरास है then I think even 1855 will do. I know बहुत सारे pro photographers हैं who would like to click pictures with that crisp sharp prime lenses, but let us not get into that because there will be a lot of constraint on the flexibility and until we have a variety of prime lenses it doesn't work for us. So after the DSLR body and the lens, here comes the important part. Now these accessories or equipments are very important for you to create that beautiful professional looking landscape pictures. To make sure we have a beautiful picture, we should always avoid grains or shake in the picture. उसके लिए एक tripod का रहना बहुत जरूरी है. कोई भी tripod चलेगा, not a big deal. You can go to the e-commerce website and see whichever tripod has good rating, just buy them. But you need a tripod for sure. Camera shake reduce करने के लिए tripod is one of the biggest contributor. Now instead of tripod, you can go for a monopod. It is not as good as tripod when it comes to the stability, but definitely it's very flexible. मतलब आप अगर बहुत congested area में हैं, you don't have to worry about setting up a tripod. If you have all your settings right, you can just keep the monopod and within seconds you can take the shot. So tripod, more stability and monopod, more flexibility. If you want to enhance this stability further, मतलब आपको shutter क्लिक करते वक्त जो भी शेक होता है वो भी अगर अवॉइड करना है देन यू हैव टू यूज अ रिमोट शटर. वो वायरलेस रिमोट शटर भी हो सकता है, वो वायर्ड रिमोट शटर भी हो सकता है. अब आप ये बोल सकते हो कि कैमरा में टाइमर ऑलरेडी है, व्हाई डू वी हैव टू बाय अ रिमोट शटर? बट देयर इज अ कैच. से फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव सेट अप अ ट्राइपॉड इन द सी शोर एंड यू हैव सेट द टाइमर फॉर 10 seconds. Just when the shutter is about to take off, something may enter into the screen and spoil your photo and you have to repeat it all over again. But when you're using a remote shutter, you're absolutely under control. Next we'll talk about polarizing filters. I don't know the technicality of what goes into making a polarizing filter, but I know the functionality. वो क्या करता है? Daytime में when you visit the sea and when you look into the water, you notice a harsh reflection of the sun. If we don't do anything about it and if we just go and click that, the photo will not be nice. Just because we want to avoid the reflection, we don't want to increase the shutter speed and spoil the entire settings. By using a polarized filter, it reduces the reflection a lot. और आपने ये भी notice किया होगा कि when we are clicking the picture in the daylight, we notice that glare from the sun. Polarizing filters reduces even that to a lot extent. Not just that, it increases the color saturation in a dramatic way very naturally. Next would be ND filters. आपने देखा होगा a lot of waterfall pictures एक smooth milky format में होता है and कितना ट्राई करने के बाद भी we will not be able to click such pictures. The difference is made with ND filters. The reason is morning के टाइम पे slow shutter speed use करने से the photo becomes very bright. आप कितना भी narrow aperture रखो, the photo is definitely going to be very bright. Now if you want to have a very slow shutter speed, plus you want to have your own aperture and ISO settings, then you have to use ND filters. It restricts the light which is entering into your camera. And if you have a variable ND filter, then nothing like it. क्योंकि कितना लाइट आपके कैमरा के अंदर आएगा, you're completely in control of that. It's more like how we use the sunglasses. अब हमने देखा कि कैसे ट्राइपॉड यूज करने से रिमोट कंट्रोल शटर, ND फिल्टर, पोलराइजिंग फिल्टर, what kind of difference does it make to create that beautiful pictures? क्या एक DSLR चेंज करने से या फिर DSLR को अपग्रेड करने से ये पॉसिबल होता? Definitely not. I would even go to the extent of suggesting you, if you are sure that you are getting into landscape photography, then come down to a budget keeping everything into consideration. और अगर compromise करना भी है, then you can compromise with the DSLR body. Of course, when it comes to landscape photos, however beautiful pictures you click on location, the post processing is definitely going to make a huge difference. So आपको धीरे धीरे editing expertise को enhance करना ही पड़ेगा. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I have given some good suggestions with respect to landscape photography. If you have any queries or clarifications, please write in the comment section below. One very important thing, the answer to all your queries will be given as a response in the comment section of YouTube channel only. So if you do not get proper response on my Facebook page and Instagram account, you know where to post your question. Thank you once again and take care.